Alright folks, today's video is a bit different. As you can probably tell, I'm going to show you something really cool. It's about power steering systems. Many people, when they have steering problems, take their car to a mechanic, and the mechanic often compromises the ball joint. They end up saying major maintenance is needed on the car's steering system and gearbox. Ignore the car's stance, it's lowered. I raised the front, but the rear came up too. But I'll show you what I mean. I'm pointing it out right here. This is the timing belt for power steering and AC. I know it as the power steering belt. It's very loose, so when we turn the car and steer left or right, it makes that noise. Sometimes it seems to slip, making a squealing noise. We just need to adjust this screw here. Let me double check if it's this screw. Let's stretch this belt a bit so it can do its job on the gears. I'll grab the tools and be right back. Alright, I've taken it apart. We'll use the 14 wrench first, the 14 wrench. Remember, I thought it was this screw at first. Well, it's not this one, that one, or that other one. It's actually this hidden screw back here. This screw here, we're gonna loosen it up, right? Then you can either replace the belt or give some slack to remove the old one, or tighten the current one that's already installed in the car. Once you do this, your power steering will improve a lot. Not sure if this affects AC, but it might improve too. If you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.